Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this Halloween inspired makeup look. I went for like a Queen of the Vampires type of look. I wanted to create a look that didn't require a lot, mostly just makeup. If you wanted to go out and add some things to this to make this like a whole costume, you could add like some colored contacts or maybe some like whiteout contacts with some actual like bangs, but I didn't have those things. I just wanted to make this look something that you can recreate very simply and easily with using just makeup. So I went ahead and did this kind of like smoky purple on the lid, and it's really pretty. I love it. And then all I did was just do my regular face and then added a glossy red lip with a little bit of blood kind of dripping down. And you'll see how I kind of did that. I just used a liquid lipstick to create that. So yeah, everything I did was really easy. And if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go ahead and dip into this black eyeshadow. And you want to make sure you have a really intense black eyeshadow because we're only using concealer as a base. So I'm just using my Shape Tape concealer from Tarte all over the lid as a base and then applying that black eyeshadow on top. So you want to apply it in the center of your lid in like a rounded shape to start off, and then kind of feather it outwards up towards the crease. So just blending it outwards up towards the crease little by little. You don't want to pack a bunch of color on all at once because it's a dark color and you don't want to, spend too much time trying to blend it out. So just start off little by little and then blend as you go. So with my fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and take this purple color and then just blend it out on the edges of that black. And then you want to start off little by little, like I said, blending it out slowly. And the type of brush that you're using is very important. So you want to make sure it's like a fluffier blending brush. And then going back into that black, I just want to kind of add it back on there because we kind of lost some of the color with the purple. And then going back into the purple and blending it out. So you just want to go back and forth until you get something that looks kind of like this. So then I'm going to go into this kind of lighter pink shade just to blend out the edges even more. And then I started off with this brush, didn't end up liking it, so I changed it out for another fluffy blending brush. So like I said earlier, it's just important on which brushes you use. And I'm just going to go back and forth between the purple and the pink and just making sure those blend together. And then lastly, I'm taking a clean blending brush so it has no color on it whatsoever. And I'm just using that to make sure everything's nice and blended. So now that I'm kind of done with the eyes for now, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of speed through my face. You can just go ahead with your normal face routine. And all the products that I'm using on my face, I'm going to go ahead and add in the description box. But just go ahead with your normal face routine and finish that off, and then we'll go back to the eyes once that is done. Okay, so hopping back into the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and just take that first purple shade and blend that on my lower lash line just to bring the look together. And then I'm going to go ahead with that pink shade and kind of blow it out on the lower lash line as well. And I kind of want to go further down just to kind of make it look like I haven't gotten any sleep since I'm supposed to be a vampire. So just kind of blend that all the way out, and you kind of want to make the shadow kind of point outwards, kind of like a cat eye shape. And then I'm just going in with like a magenta purple shade just to blend all of that in together. And I'm taking my highlight that I used to highlight the rest of my face, and I'm just putting it on my brow bone. Any color that you want to add up here, as long as it's like light shade, you can add. But I'm just choosing to add my highlight shade on my brow bone. And then I went and took a fluffy blending brush and I blended that out. I also added my black liner and blended that out towards my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm taking this shimmery purple highlight and I'm adding that onto my inner tear duct area. Okay, so now that we've finished the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my lips. The first color I'm taking is Heathers by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply that all over my lips. And then I'm going to top it off with my Purple Royal Lip Gloss by Maybelline. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and add the blood. So this is just some blood that I got from Party City for about $1. And I just kind of dripped the drops of blood from the corners of my mouth. And just added it like that. You can leave it like that. Or you can go ahead and just take a red liquid lipstick and an angled brush. And then kind of create the dripping kind of effect from the corners of your lips. And I believe this actually stays on longer than the fake blood that I bought from Party City. So then now you see me just kind of feathering it out with the angled brush, adding some more liquid lipstick, and using my finger to kind of blend it out. And I think it looks a little bit better than the fake blood. So yeah, that is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come in the future.